PLESK versus cPanel review, which is better? So PLESK and cPanel are two of the most popular web hosting control panels, each offering unique features and functionalities tailored to different user needs. This review compares the performance, user interface, compatibility, security features, and as well as the pricing. So now let's talk about the key comparisons. So for example, PLESK supports both Linux and Windows operating systems, making it versatile for various hosting environments. cPanel primarily designed for Linux servers, limiting its user to Linux-based hosting solution. On the other hand, if we just talk about this user interface, PLESK is feature is a modern, sleek integrated. This is intuitive and visually appealing, right? It's best for organizing tools logically and allow customization. cPanel offers a traditional interface that some user may find clutter. However, it remains functionally and easy to navigate, especially for beginners. Performance, PLESK, while it has improved its performance over time, is generally slower than cPanel in terms of account creation and maintenance tasks. cPanel known for its speed efficiency, cPanel has optimized resources usage, resulting in quicker load time and faster management tasks. The security is on the PLESK include built-in tool like fail to ban, intrusion prevention system, auto SSL, and antivirus monitoring with Immunify AV. On the other hand, cPanel provides features such as a spam assassin, two-factor authentication, IP address blocking, and automated SSL certificate installation. Now let's talk about the pricing. So I will just open the pricing tab for both here. So here, PLESK offers, flexible pricing model, including pay-as-you-go option that can be more economical for user with varied needs. On the other hand, cPanels gives you operates on a fixed pricing structures but has seen significant price increase in recent years, which may deter some user. So choosing between PLESK and cPanel ultimately depends on the specific user requirement. You need support for both Windows and Linux. A modern interface with customization option is a priority. You require advanced integration for development purposes. Choose cPanel if you are focused on Linux-based hosting, speed and performance, and critical factors. You prefer a more traditional interface than a straightforward to use. So this is the sum of the do, and let me know in the comment box which one you choose.